This pavilion was the first pavilion that we actually took on board everything to do with the pavilion. We took on board the groundworks, the site setup, from start to finish, from the first fence panel going in to the fence coming down the end of the thing. Stage 1 took over the whole of the actual build, which in previous years had been a collaboration with different firms. The actual pavilion itself was made out of several different materials which hadn't been used in this way before. Cork, which was supplied by Amarim in Portugal, was carved in some extremely different ways to form different patterns, different seats, different flooring materials, and the steel structure was topped off with a steel roof which had a mirror pool on the top of the steel roof, and the steel roof itself was over 35 tons alone, and that too was challenged, just physically building that and getting that on site. The best part about this project was definitely the end result, where the cork, the steel roof, the mirror pool, everything came together. This is the deepest excavation we've ever done on the Serpentine Gallery. We had to dig down some 6 metres to achieve this year's pavilion, which in itself on the lawn, with a lot of services going through a lot of different challenges.